Hey, hi everyone, welcome back to my video, and in this video I would be sharing how I got my first job in Dubai as an architect, and this is the part 3 of my previous video. Hi, my name is Priyanka and I make videos related to the life of an architect here in Dubai and travel, food and many more on this channel. So this is the third part of my journey as a fresher here in Dubai. In my second part, I have told like how I got my job and the interview process for the job which I joined. What is the salary offered to an architect here in Dubai? Why I feel they chose me over the others, and also some tips and tricks from my experience in this field. So stay tuned with me in this video. अभी करते हैं स्टार्ट वीडियो का. जिन्होंने मेरा फर्स्ट वाला वीडियो नहीं देखा वो ज़रूर देखिएगा कि मेरा इंडिया से दुबई तक का जो सफ़र था वो मैंने मेरे फर्स्ट वीडियो में फर्स्ट पार्ट में शेयर किया है. सेकेंड पार्ट में मैंने मेरा जॉब हंटिंग का प्रोसेस और इंटरव्यू प्रोसेस शेयर किया है. और अभी थर्ड पार्ट में मैं ये बताने वाली थी कि मेरे पास थे 2 ऑफ़र लेटर्स, और 2 ऑफ़र लेटर्स पे ऐसा था कि मुझे अगले दिन ज्वाइन करना है, तो मैंने कौन सा वाला ऑफ़र लेटर चूज़ किया, लाइक कौन सा जॉब मैंने चूज़ किया. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ़र लेटर की बात अगर हम करते हैं तो फर्स्ट जो ऑफ़र लेटर मुझे जो कंपनी से आया था वो कंपनी में मुझे उन्होंने यही पूछा था कि मेरा एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में, और रेसिडेंशियल उनके पास विलास थे जिसके शॉप ड्राइंग्स बनाने होते थे, तो उसमें मुझे एक्सपीरियंस है क्या, और सॉफ्टवेयर नॉलेज, और ये सारी चीज़ों पे मेरा सिलेक्शन हो गया था जो मेरा फर्स्ट ऑफ़र लेटर था उसमें. एंड सेकेंड ऑफ़र लेटर जिसके बारे में मैंने मेरे पहले सेकेंड पार्ट में बताया है वो था. अभी मेरे पास थे 2 जॉब ऑफ़र्स और आई वॉज़ वेरी मच एक्साइटेड एंड कन्फ्यूज्ड ऑल्सो कि मैं कौन सा वाला जॉब ज्वाइन करूँ. बट मैंने कुछ क्राइटेरियाज निकाले, जैसे लोकेशन हो गया, सैलरी कौन सा मुझे ज़्यादा कंपनी दे रही है, और बेनिफिट्स मुझे कौन सी कंपनी दे रही है, और मेरा जॉब रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ कौन सी रहेगी, कौन सी कंपनी में कैसे रहेगी, और कंपनी कैसी है, उस बेसिस पे मैंने मेरा सेकंड वाला जो जॉब ऑफ़र था वो चूज़ किया. क्योंकि जो फर्स्ट कंपनी था वो हर एक इस चीज़ में मुझे बेहतर लगा सेकंड वाला, तो मुझे फिर मैं सेकंड वाला ऑफ़र लेटर के साथ गई और मैंने नेक्स्ट डे से ज्वाइन कर लिया. Why I was chosen over others by the recruiter. So talking about this question, I used to think कि मेरा सिलेक्शन हुआ तो मुझ में ऐसी क्या चीज़ें हैं जो जिसके कारण हुआ होगा, मैं ऐसे ख्याल आया. तो मैंने सोचा ये क्वेश्चन का भी एक आंसर मैं दे सकती हूँ कि what was that in me to which they chose me. So I feel like I was here readily available in Dubai for the interview, and I was readily available to join also. So that was one point. Second was like I was having my spouse visa, and spouse visa होने से एक ही हो जाता है कि I am here on my spouse visa. So after that, after joining, the company would change the visa. So that was one thing that I am readily available here. And third thing was कि I was having experience, and also freelancing experience, and also software experience also I was having, software knowledge also I was having. So these were the 3 important things that I feel like which I had as a fresher, and I got joined and I got the offer and I got that job. And the most important thing also was that I had worked on the projects which the company was dealing with. सो टेम्पल के जैसे मैंने पिछले मेरे वीडियो में बताया था, अगर आपने वो वीडियो नहीं देखा तो ज़रूर ही देखिएगा, तो आपको पता चलेगा कि मैंने वो वीडियो में बात किया था कि टेम्पल के प्रोजेक्ट्स पे मैंने काम किया था. सो ऑन गोइंग उनके यहाँ पे भी टेम्पल और रेजिडेंशियल कमर्शियल इस प्रोजेक्ट्स पे काम हो रहा था. So I already presented them in my portfolio, all these things. So in detail and all the detailed drawings, shop drawings. So they had the knowledge that yeah, I have that knowledge of working on these type of typologies. So that was also one of the major reason for my selection. The projects which I portrayed in my portfolio, so that is very important. Now talking about the first company which offered me a job, why I didn't choose that, because it was like the transportation here is also plays a very important role, because you have to go there daily and it should be convenient enough कि वहाँ पे जाने के लिए आपको मेट्रो अगर मिल रहा है, मेट्रो स्टेशन पास में है क्या, अगर मेट्रो स्टेशन पास में है सो इट बिकम्स वेरी कन्वीनियंट. बट अगर सपोज़ मेट्रो स्टेशन से दूर है और आपको फिर मेट्रो से कंपनी तक बस से जाना होता है, जो कभी कभी बस के रूट्स भी बहुत लंबे होते हैं. सो ऑल दोज थिंग्स इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड इफ़ यू कांट टेक द बस देन टैक्सीज आर वेरी एक्सपेंसिव हियर. सो इफ़ फ्रॉम मेट्रो अगर दूर है ऑफिस, तो अगर टैक्सी से जाना हो रहा है तो फिर इवन टैक्सी का खर्चा या बस का खर्चा या फिर टाइम आपको देना पड़ेगा. So transportation is and location of the company is one thing which was not suitable for. And second thing was the salary was it was not like a good one than my second company which they offered. And these two reasons were. And third was like they were not having their proper office. They were working in their villa. They had set up the office in the villa, and soon they were going to shift in the office place because it was getting renovated. So the villa was quite a long from the metro, and also salary was a major issue, which due to which I chose my second offer. And I'm very much grateful that I got this opportunity from them. Yeah, so I joined my second offer, and which were more convenient for me, and it was fulfilling all my needs. So I wanted that job, and then I said I just joined it. So the basic salary here in Dubai as a fresher is 3,000 dirhams, and it may vary as per your company, or it may be more or less as per the company and your experience. So I would like to tell the 6 tips to get hired in the job industry here in Dubai through my experience is like just read the job responsibilities which the person or the recruiter have shared. If you match that job responsibilities and you feel like yes, I am a suitable person for this, then you will find that it plays a very important role. Have experience from India. Be readily available to do freelancing projects, or have experience in the industry of architecture in India or anywhere. And also otherwise be ready to learn, because India experience matters, but here totally the Dubai work culture is different, and the way of working also is totally different. So be ready to learn also in the starting phase. Be available here when you are applying for the job interviews, because if you are getting an interview and they have asked you to come immediately tomorrow itself for the interview and you are not here, then it might happen that you are not available, so they might not consider you. So being available here also is very important. And also if you are applying from India and you are capable enough, the skills and job responsibilities, everything is matching, so it might happen that even they will ask you to come here, and then they would take the interview, or they would just take a telephonic or online interview, and they would ask you to join immediately the company. It depends company to company. And yes, it also happens that from India also you can get job here in Dubai, but for that you have to have a very strong profile, and they would like then bring you here. They will give you your visa, everything, tickets and all. They would sponsor you and they will bring you here in Dubai. And for that you have to have a very good knowledge in, and also your profile should be very strong enough, and also learn as much softwares and be as much knowledgeable as you can, because everything will not happen suddenly on one day. It's like your entire journey from your college to till this date. Everything matters, and all this experience will help you to get a job here. So छोटी छोटी चीज़ें होती है, बट अगर आपको एक सॉफ्टवेयर एडिशनल आ जाता है, सो इट मेक्स अ वेरी गुड इम्पैक्ट. इफ़ यू नो वन एक्स्ट्रा नॉलेज ऑफ how things can work easily, it makes an impact overall. And also if you know more of one language, it makes an impact. If you know Arabic, it makes an impact. So everything counts. Everything which is written in your resume or portfolio counts, and helps you to get a good position and a good job. That's it for this video. Hope you like my videos, and if you have any questions, do let me know in the comments.